Hi kids, welcome back. In today's session, we are going to do all small friends, all big friends, and all mixed complement concepts. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, okay. So let's start. Okay, so first one, let's do add 7. Again, add 7. I don't have beats. Formula add 10 less 3. Less 6. I don't have beats. Formula less 10 add 4. Again less 6 add 9. I don't have beats. Formula add 10 minus 1. Minus 6. I don't have beats. Formula minus 10 plus 4. Clear? Next. Yeah. Add 6. Add 8. Again no beats. Formula add 10 less 3. Add 10 less 2. Sorry. Okay. Now less 7. I don't have beats. Less 10. Add 3. Add 6. No beats. Add 10 less 4. Less 7. No beats. Less 10. Add 3. Add 3. My answer is 9. Clear? Okay, I'll see you in the next video with a very new concept, very interesting concept. So stay connected.